Hello everyone, this is Chemistry 210. Welcome here. And this is our first day of a summer class. And for both AX and BX session. I am running the lecture synchronously. So we'll meet here at 11 o'clock every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for the entire summer session for the 8 weeks. The lab will be run synchronously as well. So I already sent out your Zoom invitation. You know, chemistry class is such an important subject here. It's for both bio major, chemistry major, or even physics major. Some engineer majors are required to take chemistry here. And we're going to cover first half of the book here. In turn of the book, I give you 3 options for the book, and these books are Silverberg or our Chemistry 210, 220 version of CSM or OpenStax. Generally speaking, if you have any general chemistry book, every book is sufficient for you to use. Just remember, follow my lecture. The reason I run a synchronous lecture is I don't want you guys to fall behind. As long as you follow my lecture, read my lecture PowerPoint with any general chemistry book, it's okay. Now, I won't say this is a completely online course since we're still seeing each other through Zoom. If you don't want to see me, that's fine, you know. However, if you do miss my lecture, I will upload my recording every day. As soon as Zoom is available, I will upload that. So if you do miss my lecture for whatever reason, go back to the Canvas. I'm going to put that under announcement. So every lecture for the recording will be there. So that should take care of your missing lecture part. However, during the test dates, you're not allowed to miss the test. There's 3 test dates plus 1 final exam. I already spell out on the syllabus here. So that's for the lecture part. So lecture will run about an hour and 20 minutes, a little bit shorter, a little bit longer. Okay, so that's the lecture. For the lab, I have 2 labs, AX and BX. So please do go to the one you schedule for, either AX and BX. I know the demand for the class is so big here. I have over 10 people on the wait list for both sections. I don't think I can accommodate more. The max I can accept is 2 more per section here. Because remember, in the labs, we'll be discussing the lab procedure. I'll talk about the principle for each lab. You know, it's very difficult to run the lab virtually, so I try to bring up YouTube videos, and we're going to watch that YouTube video together, and we're going to do some discussion, and I will send out the data through the email, so you guys will be analyze data in a small group basis here. So that way, I'm going to use a breakout Zoom in our Zoom lab meeting, so you guys can chat, and that will help each other here, and hopefully that student contact, and you guys will be able to answer and learn more stuff. Okay, so that is for the lab, and in addition to the lab reports, I do require you to do simulation activity. I do assign 10 simulation activity, which is going to be on Canvas, and you're going to see that. That is 12.5% your grade. So you will see the breakdown our course here on the syllabus. Different type of assessment include lab report, simulation activity, and also the online homework by the Cengage, and which has been published to you. So you need to get into and register through Cengage. And Cengage has been everything will be, it has been imported into Canvas. So basically you can log in to the Canvas and able to access the Cengage. And then we do have the exams here. We have 3 different midterms and plus 1 final exam here. So that will consist the entire semester. Let me promise you here, this is a very first official virtual course we run entirely for this district. So summer session 2020 is the first time we run the class entirely online. I would like to assure you, you're not losing anything. I will promise you by the end of the semester, you will understand all lab procedures in addition to important lecture topics through the beginning of chapter 1, dimensional analysis, conversion and atomic theory, isotope, naming the compounds, moles concept, stoichiometry, different types of reaction, limiting reagent, solution molarity, into thermal chemistry, gas law, electron configuration, periodic trend, Lewis structure, bonding, hybridized orbital, a little bit about property of liquid, intermolecular attraction forces, property of solid, and enter our final chapter discussion for the property of solution and colligative property. I promise you I'll cover entire thing here, but just remember, whenever you have any question, send me the email, send me the inbox contact on the Canvas. When you are on the Canvas, I list the activity through the module. So treat that as a module as the steps you should follow. I list according to the week number. So there's week 1 lecture part module, week 1 lab content module, and week 2 lecture module, and week 2 lab module, and so on, all the way to week A. So good luck to all of you. Any questions, keep free to contact me, and please allow me up to 24 hours to respond to your question. I promise you I'll do the best I can. I check email pretty frequently. Thank you. Enjoy the class.